An adoption, it's kind of like two cases in one, because first you have to terminate the biological parent's rights, so you have to go through that process. Secondly, you're doing the adoption process. The courts in Texas especially, it's one of those states where the standard is the best interest of the child, and where you're placing someone else to become someone's legal child, they want to make sure that the child is going to be in the best hands possible and make sure that they're going to be okay. That's why there's so many steps. Some of those steps include the adoptive parents doing background checks to see if they have any criminal history. They have to do a social study, so where someone's going to go to your house, talk to you, talk to anyone who lives there, talk to your other children, get an idea of where the child's going to be living, whether it's a safe environment for the child, whether everything checks out okay. Most of the time you have to have an attorney appointed also for the child to just make sure everything was done correctly and make sure that it is in the best interest of the child. You have to sometimes do a paternity registry search to see whether the biological father is either in the picture or wants to step in and maybe wants to see the child, contest the adoption, or whether he's nowhere to be found and not going to be part of it. So there's just several requirements that have to be met before you get to finalize your adoption.